Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. Okay, it's summer, it's hot outside. What do we do when our air conditioner doesn't fit in the window properly? You got one of these kind of windows. So, what do? Well, I ordered one of these foam squares on Amazon. Okay, before we get to that, let's go to a regular window, right? It slides like a normal window, right? Slides left to right, right to left, however it works. You get this little nice tight thing in here and boom, it's easy, right? You get a nice seal, it's easy. But what happens if you get a stupid window like this that opens like this and it's hot as hell and you need an air conditioner in your living room? Okay, well, I ordered this. I took measurements and I wanted it to be pretty tight and I wanted it to be thick. Now, I used to pile like blankets. Like, I'm telling you, it was ugly. I would do whatever I could do. Uh, but this thing I feel like is going to have better, it's going to have better insulation. It's going to hold in the cold air better. And let me tell you, it has. So I made a little cut for the hose there. It's not perfect, but you know what? I'm going to, cover it with the blinds anyways. And I left the cover on. I just used a bread knife here. Look at this. Nothing. I mean, I'm not taking my time. It's hot. Okay. I'm not taking my time. I just want it done. I'm tired of it. And look, this looks fine. I mean, it's fine. So let's go around the other side here. And as you can see, the seal is very, very tight. And the hose comes out, and you get a stupid window like this, and you make it work, right? And I'm telling you, this insulation holds in the cold a lot better than my blankets and towels piled up. So I'll leave a link and everything on how to get one of these. It's easy, it looks great. Try it out. Thank you for watching.